Online reputation management is essential for both individuals and businesses in today's digital world. With the help of Rsquare Media's reputation management expertise and a race, ad, and control tool, you will be able to enhance and safeguard your online presence. The Erase tool offers functions like content removal, negotiation, de-indexing, and litigation. These components focus on removing negative or unwanted content from the internet, thus protecting your online reputation from all bad reviews. The ad component includes functions like content creation, SEO optimization, social media engagement, and influencer collaborations. With a focus on creating and publishing positive content, this helps boost a positive image and digital footprint for your business. The control tool has functions like monitoring tools, response management, content strategy, and reputation audits. This component monitors and maintains your online presence to ensure long-term reputation health while preventing future risks. For any immediate reputation management assistance, scan the QR code for a free reputation management consultation today. You can also text HELP to 646-249-3561 to get started. Feel free to also check out the Rsquare Media website at rsquaremedia.com to get a free quote. Rsquare Media always has your back.